Craig Equipment in Wright City. This is the Heartland 14,000 GVW 22-foot tilt deck trailers, two 7,000-pound axles, 22-foot overall, 6-foot flat or stationary at the front, 16-foot of tilt at the back. These are set up with adjustable 2 5/16 couplers, heavy-duty drop leg jack, toolbox, rub rail. Very nice, American made here in Missouri. We've got them lined up and ready to go for you. Good for your cars or equipment, you name it. Craig Equipment, Wright City, Missouri, 636-856-8555.